Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur part of video in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first thing you need to do is import your video file or image you want to work into Premiere Pro. Drop the video into your timeline. Then go to Effects panel. On the search bar, type Gaussian Blur. Just drag the Gaussian blur effect onto your video clip in the timeline. Then go ahead to Effects Controls panel above your timeline. Here, you will find Gaussian blur effect settings for your clip. To specify the area you want to blur, you will need to create mask. Here, you have three choices here, which are an ellipse mask, rectangular mask, or create your own shape here by using Pen tool. This will allow you to draw a mask around the object or area you want to blur. In example, I would like to select this rectangular mask. Now you can see a rectangular square on our video. You can move around by using your cursor. I will drag this over here. Now I am going to adjust the mask shape by clicking at the edge point of this mask. Not just at the edge. You can add any point and adjust it according to your desired shape and position. You can adjust the blur amount by increasing the blurriness value here. You can also use keyframes to animate the blur effect if you need to change the area you want to blur over time. Once you have satisfied with the blurring effect, you can play through your video in the preview panel to ensure that the blurring effect looks as you intended. That's it. You have successfully blurred a part of your video by using Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.